What is going on? It's like 50 today. What's going on? It's December 20th. I'm not complaining. Welcome back, guys. First off, I have kind of a huge favor to ask you guys, and by no means you guys have to help me out or anything like that, but I really want to do something awesome for you know, someone this year for Christmas. So me and a couple friends are actually teamed up. We're going to be doing a toy drive for Golisano's Children's Hospital here in Rochester, New York. We're going to be getting as many toys as possible donated to the hospital Christmas Eve. You know, I think it'd be so cool to kind of just help people out, especially in this time of the holiday, especially some kids, you know. I mean, I think they need it the most in this time of the year. I'm basically asking you guys for a little bit of your help as well. I really want to try and raise $1,000 to just go and make a toy run and just get 100, you know, just a bunch of toys and go ahead and just deliver it to the kids at the hospital on Christmas Eve. I think that would be amazing. If you guys want to be a part of it, it would truly mean the world. 100% of the proceeds you guys donate are going straight to toys. I'm not taking a penny, I swear on my life. You know, I would not joke about this. This is a serious matter. But for real, if you guys do want to go ahead and join in, PayPal link is down below. Just be sure to write in the notes charity or like toys or something like that, just so I 100% know where it came from. CashApp is also down below, so if you guys are able to support 1, 2, 10, 50, 20, whatever amount you guys can, it would really mean a lot, I'm sure, for me personally and also the kids mainly. So we're going to make a really cool Christmas video. We're going to wrap up the Zupra and do a bunch of cool stuff with it, but we really want to get some money raised and do it for a good cause. So sorry for rambling a little bit, but I just want to let you guys know what's happening. We really appreciate you guys' support. Everyone who does help will have their name in the credits of the video as a supporter, and you just have that good feeling in your heart that you guys helped some kids out. So thank you. Link is below for all the donation stuff. Let's make some kids happy this year. Enjoy the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've been slaving away. Heavy D's making me real nervous behind the camera looking. Stop looking at. It's creeping me out. I'm working on the wing still. It's like the third day and I have to put some more primer on it today. So I just went ahead and did our whole guide coat, sanded it down. Kinda hurt. Sanded it down and got it ready for another coat of primer because he just picks us up and just starts laughing. So I don't. Okay. I have some spots. I might as well just show you. I have some spots that rub through, and you're gonna notice it with this paint. You're gonna notice it. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm not gonna reprime everything. Just these little areas. Pretty much just this back little fin area, and we'll resand that and have it ready for base coat, which I did buy, by the way. I did buy that. Get this thing. I just want to see this thing in red, so it's just done, but we're getting there. And then we also got to do Ryan's spoiler, which has been like a 14-month project, right?
Will they remember the shop?
Yeah, well, some of them.
The shop.
Yeah, this is back at the old, back at the shop.
Started this process back then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
About a year ago.
We're rolling.
Alright. So I'm out here, sanding round 4 maybe? We primed it again, I guide coated it again, riveted it back on the car, and I'm wet sanding it with some 400. So it's coming out epic though. Like the reason why I primed it again, I just know that if I left those black spots, it would have had some kind of transparent spots because the paint is a little bit transparent, especially the red. They're very transparent. Alright, a few minutes later, here we are. This thing is just straight up glass right now, man. It's about ready for some base coat, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit. One more spot of stuff to sand, just by this rivet, and there's one more thing I have to do real quick. I think I just wanted to shave off a little bit more. I think right here. I'll double check where it was, but let's get some color on this thing, boys. spicy with that sauce. There's no such thing as sauce that's too spicy, right?
I don't think so.
Can you have sauce that's too spicy?
No.
Okay.
No. The answer is no.
That's a nice.
Wow.
That's a nice.
Oh, you can see that.
Yeah,
Wow.
I know you can see. That's great.
What's that loud?
Okay.
Safety first, kids. Oh, he messed up.
One hand is tricky. Got it though.
Oh wow, that was killer.
Professional.
Nice job.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna watch from back here.
Yeah, enjoy it back there.
Wow, that's wild, dude. Oh, he's already liking it.
Oh, dude, that's so good. I think I'm already out of paint, man.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Need more paint, mate? It's going well, though.
I'm gonna come take a closer look.
Yeah, it's like we're like halfway through round coat 2.
Oh wow, it's heavier. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, the paint is strong though. Oh god.
Feeling good, feeling great. How you feeling, Ryan?
Dude, I'm good.
It's good.
I feel like the paint's in my eyes.
Really?
I just feel it in the air, man.
It's in the air for sure.
Like you can grasp that
No, you
paint.
can't do that.
Coming in for number 3.
Say what?
Oh, nothing. Just talking to the viewers.
Oh, right. Air it out, let it dry for like 45 minutes. You're tossing some of that ice cream on there.
It's definitely red.
It's red, man.
That is a deep red. Wow. It looks different on camera. It just went down. Clear is all loaded up. What's this mean? What does this mean?
We're about to get that ice laid and sprayed. We gotta turn the heat off so we don't explode.
Oh, that would be probably a smart move.
Yeah. There we go. Alright, let's
Oh,
get
nice.
to it, man. First coat will just be nice and light.
Sure.
Since I'm sure we got a nice a lot of B-roll. Like, how did this happen? Oh! Oh, now I'm pissed. Now I'm pissed. Can I just get it out of here? Oh, this is perfect here. Hey. Excuse me.
You want to move it?
Excuse me, guys. Oh, God. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Ooh, that's classy. Alright, it's just before 2 in the morning. This thing is looking super hot fire. Hang on, let me get an actual light on. You guys can see kind of how it's looking. So you guys can see that pearl is, she's there. It's pretty wild. The camera can't even focus. There it is. Killer. So got some stuff in it here and there. I mean, look at where we're freaking painting this thing. I mean, it's not a booth by any means. I'm pretty excited. So we'll go ahead and get this thing dry tonight, and we'll get this thing fitted up tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Yeah, so this is round 2. I wasn't entirely too happy with how the clear coat came out. I should have known. I normally don't like to use the touch-up gun for clear coat, and I realized why. The touch-up gun is good, but not really as good as like a proper gun. So we're gonna actually be using the 3M AccuSpray gun to actually do this whole job again. However, I'm gonna just go ahead and just toss another coat of red on here. I sanded this whole thing down after I clear coated it. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix up a little more base coat, do maybe 1 or 2 more light coats, just to kind of get it covered, because I actually rubbed through a little bit up here. But otherwise, I guess, you know, it's the way it goes, man. I wasn't too stoked on how it came out first time around, so it looks like we're doing it again. Alright guys, so man, it's days and days later. I gotta say though, the paint now came out freaking incredible. There's really not much, actually there's really nothing that flew in it if it can't even focus on it. It's too shiny, man. Oh man. So good. So it came out like ice, bro. But the only issue I'm having right now, it's not the same freaking color, okay? So this car I believe was painted, repainted. You can't really tell on camera as much. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. But this is way more red. And this is more like a dark burgundy. Kind of bums me out. It's kind of annoying, but it's on. It's freaking on. It's done. It looks freaking good in my opinion. The rivets do kind of bug me, you know, a little bit, but we can go ahead and just do like some black rivets or something like that. But okay, here you guys can kind of tell the difference in color, right? Like that's the only thing that kind of bugs me a little bit. We are not done. We're gonna go ahead and do this still like the silicone sealer, like I did with the 240 up on these seams. That way we're not getting water up in here and collecting all this bunch of dirt and debris, and it'll kind of make it look a little bit more like a seamless transition. It's very subtle, which is kind of the look we were going for. You know, I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but I'm stoked. Sorry it took me forever to get this video up. I was gonna go try and get some rolling shots of this car just to kind of see how it looks on the street driving with the wing on it, but no one is really available right now today, so we'll probably have to wait for another day for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry like I said, sorry for the lack of content lately. It's just been super, just been redoing this. I did a starter on my buddy's truck, so just trying to make a couple bucks here and there, but yeah man, this is coming out pretty good. The car itself is looking great. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel, subscribe if you guys have not done so already. If you guys saw in the beginning of today's video, we would really appreciate your donations. It's really trying to, you know, make some kids happy this year, so if you guys could, you know, PayPal, CashApp is down below. 100% of proceeds goes straight to the charity. We're gonna go get toys tomorrow, so if you guys are watching this on Saturday, December 21st, I guess you can still donate, but if you're watching on Sunday, it's a little bit too late. I really don't want you guys donating for no reason, then I have to guys send your money back and whatever. So if you guys could, that would be freaking amazing. It would really help out some kids, and I'm sure they'd be happy, and we'll be sure to get you some recognition as well. But alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a good Christmas if I don't see you until after Christmas Day. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.